Hi, I know everyone uses Google Classroom a lot, but I want to show you some best practices. The first thing that you should know is that the stream is not that helpful. A lot of students immediately go to the stream, and this is where they can see a lot of their assignments. But this doesn't let you know what is done and what isn't done. To get that information, you should always be clicking on the Classwork tab. In the Classwork tab, assignments are broken down by week or by unit. When an assignment is grayed out like so, that means you have done it. If an assignment is showing up as a bright color, that means it is either not finished or you haven't turned it in. So I'm going to click on Art and Kwame Alexander's Swing. If I view this assignment and am doing my work, I can mark that as done. And then when I go back to my Classwork tab, I can see that will be grayed out. Other assignments need to be marked as turned in. So that would be an assignment like this. This is a Google Doc that I need to fill out and then actually turn in. When all of your assignments for the week are gray, that means you're totally caught up. So as you can see, I need to work on Swing from April 22nd. Another really interesting feature that can help you is this tab here. If you click View Your Work, you can see everything that you have done for the entire year. Obviously, things that have a red missing are missing, and things that are black and just say assigned, those are things that don't have a due date, but I haven't done them yet, and I need to take care of those. This also shows you when you have turned in something late and turned in something on time. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers. In summary, just remember to use this Classwork tab. Make sure that you are turning in every assignment or marking each assignment as done. If you have a gray icon, that means you're in good shape. But if your icon is still brightly colored, that means you're not finished with your work yet.